Hi, I'm Rob Reeves, stylist and educator for BaByliss Pro, and I'd like to share with you the Rapido Straightener. It's part of the original Stylist Tools range. The Rapido, with its sleek, lightweight design, is perfect styler to battle frizz, and it makes it really easy to create smooth, sleek results or soft waves or curls in the hair. With the unique nano titanium sol gel technology, this allows you to easily create long-lasting smoothness and shine even with the frizziest hair type, while maintaining optimal condition. It offers varied temperatures, so it's very flexible in its use from 130, 180, 200, 215, 230, making it the perfect styler for all hair types and all hair conditions. Okay, so now to style with the Rapido. Take a nice neat section. And as you'll notice, with the extra long plate on the Rapido, you can take a really big, wide section, which is great. Comb this section through, and then one nice slow pass through the hair. Just continue that process around the whole head.